Want to learn how to make a YouTube thumbnail with Canva? Let me show you. Hey, if you have a YouTube channel, do you have any idea how important the thumbnail is? Oh my gosh, it's like the first thing that you see. The first thing you see that you're gonna click on. Do you want people to click on your thumbnail? Yes! CTR. What's CTR mean? That's the click-through rate. If you look at your YouTube analytics, you really should have at least a 4 and 5% click-through rate. Or your thumbnail could have a problem. Hit the subscribe button, please, and ring the bell for more notifications. That way, you get notified to see and learn more stuff about YouTube from me, yours truly. Okay, if you already know how to use Canva, do me a favor and in the comments below, put yeah, you do. And if you don't know how to use Canva, put no in the comments. Thanks. Oh, go ahead, yeah, like the video. I appreciate that. Oh, and who am I? I am Shelly Hopkins. Welcome to my channel. I love to talk to you. No, not you. The camera. I love talking to the camera. It's so fun. I love YouTube. You like YouTube too? Well, then that's perfect because you are in the right place because I talk about ways to make money online, especially YouTube. So today we are going to learn about Canva. Canva is free and it's fun to use. I love Canva and it's easy. I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail. Let's do it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up YouTube thumbnails. I think the easiest way is to start with something. Even if we, excuse me, even if we completely and, oh, that's kind of cute. Even if we completely and utterly change it. So, starting with something is better than nothing, I think. Okay, now let's take, I know how to picture. Okay, that works. Just take our pre-picture that we already have in here and you can upload any images from your computer. You know, I don't like the background. Let's just go up here and my colors are pretty vibrant. I like that. This doesn't really seem to match it pretty well at all. So let's just get rid of it. And let's say Shelly Hopkins, since I named my business after me. But you know what? Now that we did that, that font is ugly, right? I think so. Blech. So let's change it. There it is. Nicolini by Nicolini. Oh, that's not bad. All right, we're gonna go with that. And let's change that to white. And I don't like that. If you have a thumbnail, you do not want a bunch of small stuff on it. So since technically this is a thumbnail, let's change it. Let's just change it. Let's talk about aliens. Just made that up. And sometimes you want people to use their imagination. Because say my channel, let's go to one more. Say my channel is known for aliens. So it's already going to be known for I'm an alien. Okay? Aliens. Learning. Okay, and we don't give away everything. So we want them to know aliens learning. right? And as crazy as that sounds, kind of like those. There we go. Oh yeah, aliens learning. So that would be it for that thumbnail. Pretty simple, sweet, and easy, right? Okay, you saw this one that we played with earlier. Well, I also did this one, just kind of playing around, and I did this one as well. And I did it the exact same way. I just went in and chose something here. You can choose it, play around with it. There's all kinds of ideas that you can do and use in Canva. Let's play. Let's do one more. I have pictures, uploads. Okay, that doesn't look real healthy. I was gonna go with like, that's too much. Okay, I kind of actually do like the yellow because the yellow matches the fruit. And then like you have a healthy drink here. And like I said, this would be perfect. All you need to do is put a catchphrase here that your video is gonna be about. Try to make it pretty simple. Always make it big and readable so it can be seen on a cell phone because 90% of people are on their cell phone. And then make this here. Sometimes I just delete it. Or if you just want to do something kind of catchy like healthy, and then like you could put like a smiley emoji, but you don't want to put too much. Actually, no. Sometimes less is better. Alien learning, and I would just put something like something catchy for your video. Health shakes ? Or do you think these are healthy? Or something like that has to do with your video. Once you're done, now all you do is you go to the corner where it says download. Download. Dun, 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 and it pops it up in the corner, and then you click up and you right click, save as, save it to your computer, voila, there you go. And then you have your thumbnails. So now I hope you know how to create a thumbnail on Canva for free. Pretty easy, right? Now that you've stayed to the end, I have a free YouTube checklist that I think you're gonna love. It's down in the comments. If it's not there, it should be there in a couple days. Go ahead, grab that, it's free, check it out. And thanks for hanging around and watching this video. By the way, did you subscribe? Did you like the video? Go ahead and give me a comment. If you'd like to hear more on YouTube, go ahead and just leave that in the comments below and let me know what it is that you would like to see. All right, guys, there's another video. It's gonna be right here. Go ahead and watch this video next because I really think you'll like it. Hit the button, hit the button. See you on the next video.